this video, we will show you how to install the Z4. We will focus on the installation for the integrated CAD/CAM workflow. We presuppose that the machine and accessory items have already been unpacked. On the rear side you will find the start button, the main power switch, the CAM computer panel and the connection panel. Plug the provided power cable into the power connection of the machine. If you want to access the internal CAM computer, remove the Wi-Fi device from the USB port. Then connect a USB hub to the USB port. Connect a mouse and keyboard to the USB hub. Connect a monitor to the HDMI port. If unplugging the devices, reinstall the Wi-Fi device. Plug the provided Ethernet cable into the machine's Ethernet port. Plug the other end into the CAD computer. Insert the plug of the power cable into a socket that is protected by a ground fault circuit interrupter. Switch on the machine at the main power switch. Press the start button. Wait until the working chamber lighting turns white. This may take a while. The machine references. Open the working chamber door via the touchscreen. You will now need to remove the transport lock. Take the provided Allen key to hand. Unscrew the clamping ring and remove it. Grasp the transport lock. Pull it forcefully to the left. Store the transport lock in a safe place. You may need it if you transport the machine again. Close the working chamber door via the touchscreen. The machine is now ready for the CAD/CAM integration. For a web version of the complete operating instructions, visit dentalportal.info/Z4. We hope that this was helpful. Thank you for watching.